Good morning all. In previous class, we have already discussed about the text file. With the text file, we have done read and write mode and append mode. Now we'll discuss about the binary file with the pickles. And pickle is a module. Python pickle is a module is used to serialize and deserialize. Mean any object can be serialized and deserialized in a Python pickle. And the process to convert any kind of Python object, just like a list, dictionary, etc., into a byte stream. What is byte? 8-bit equal 1 byte. So byte stream you can convert it, and that is a 0 or 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. It's called picking or serializing. This is called pickling and serialization. And in real world, just I am talking about the real world scenario, the use of pickling and unpickling are widespread as they allow to easily transfer whatever your data, whatever your file you are using, any data you are storing in a hard disk, that can be pickling and unpickling with the pickle function, any object. So let us start with the binary file. So binary, what is binary file? It is a just like a text file, little bit difference in it. So see here, binary file, this is another in the next line, it should be in a next line. See, binary underscore file, what is it? This is a object which pickle function is used for any object. This is a variable, just like a variable object, it is called variable or object. Equal is a assignment operator here, and open means it is opening from D drive. I have saved in a D drive, and this is a file name, binary underscore file dot dat. What is a dat? It is an extension name of binary file. So in a text file, you usually write here txt. So in a binary file, you have to write a extension as a dat. What is binary file? Any data which can be audio, video, image, that can be binary mode, binary file. So that can be converted in a byte mode, that is a 0 or 1s. And see here, mode I have to write which mode? WB. W means write mode, B means binary mode, P plus means read and write mode. Read and write mode I am writing with the binary. So this you have to remember, in a double quotation or single quotation you have to write the simple, you are writing W, that is for write mode. Simply you are writing a R, that is for reading mode with the text file. If you are writing combining with the B with the R, B, R, W or WB, so that will be in a binary file. If you are applying a plus, both activity will be done in this. So see here, text. What is text? It is normal variable which is a holding a value hello 123. So 123 hello 123 is a holding in text file. Now encoded. What is encoding? It is not another, just like a name is given. Don't confuse here. Encoded, this is a variable name equal text. What is text? Hello 123 is a holding in a text. Dot encode, this is a method. This is method, this is a normal variable, and this is encoding to UTF hyphen 8. So this will be encode with this value. This is a uniform resource locator with the another code. And here binary underscore file. What is binary underscore file? This file with the write. What is the use of write function? It will write in your hard disk. Where? In a D drive. Encoded. Encoded means whatever it is holding with the encoding, this will be write in a hard disk. Now binary underscore file dot seek means it is a searching from zero, from first record. It will zero means seek means it is for searching. So zero means first record. Here binary underscore data, this is a file name. So here binary underscore file. What is this file? Dot read. Now it is a searching, then it is a reading, and it will print now. Print binary. This in a double quotation, whatever you are writing remain. It will display as it is. It is a message will be printed. Comma binary underscore data. Whatever binary underscore data is a holding from a readable mode. After searching, it will print in it. So now this line text equal binary underscore data. What is binary underscore data? This line. Dot decode. Decode function. Decode means encode or decode. It will again decode, and same file you have to write here. It is a readable mode, and print decoded data, and text will be printed. So you have to remember it is similar to text file. Just little bit difference, you have to write extension with the DAT, and B alphabet you have to add with the binary. So all mode you have to read, write, append, all everything you have to use, but you have to include B with the mode. So see here, opening and closing of binary file is the same as a text file. Opening and closing, just similar to text file. Whatever you are using in a text file, it is similar to text file. While opening any binary file, we have to specify B. You have to remember it. You have to specify B for binary. In file opening mode, in above program, binary underscore file. See, remember this binary underscore file dot dat is a open. This file is a open in a WB plus mode. What is WP? Write, read write mode plus binary mode. So that after writing reading, it is a writing or reading mode. Operation can be done in a binary file. Whatever you are doing reading and writing, that operation can be done in a binary file. So string variable text, which I am using here text. String variable text hold the text to the encoded before. First it is a encoded. See here encoded word I have written here. First it will encoded before encoded method. This is I have written there is encoded scheme. After writing text, you again set reading. You have to set again for reading pointer at the beginning with the help of seek. This is a searching. See here beginning. 0 means beginning. So method, then read the text from that file. You have to read the file text from that file and decode. See decode word I have used here. Decode it with the help of decode method. Then display the text. First it is a encoding this text. Whatever any text you can write here, long text also you can write, paragraph also you can write. That will be first it will encode it with this format, and then it will write into a file, then it will read the file and it will decode here, same format. So you can write a long text also here, a hello 1 2 3 I have written, anything you can write here. That first it will encode it, then after your record pointer will be in a 0th position. From 0th position it will read, and last you have to decode. So now binary file operation using pickle module. What is pickle? I told you it is a pickling and unpickling your object. What is object? Object means any file which you are opening, that variable, just like a variable name, that is called object. So you can pickling and unpicking, serialize and deserialize your any structure of object. So pickle dot dump. What is pickle dot dump? This function with the pickle module. Don't confuse what is pickle. Some funny words you will heard in a Python module. So pickle is a module which is included in a Python library. So we need to import here dump function with the pickle. Pickle dot dump function is used to store the object, any object which you are creating, just like a f fill out any file. Just I have written in a binary underscore file, and sometime I have used a f out. So that can be dump. Function is used to object data to the file. It takes a 3 arguments. You have to remember 3 arguments. It takes first argument is the object. First is the object that we want to store. Which object you want to store, that first argument will be that object. The second argument is the file object we get by opening. So that means which this is a first object, and this is a second object. This is called first object, and this is called second object. See here, first the second object argument is a file object by get opening the desired file in a write binary, which I have given a read and write mode in a binary file, RB mode. And the third argument is the key value. Which key value you want to give over there, that argument is a third. And this argument defines the protocol. Protocol means it first define the object, then it will use in that object. So this protocol, there are 2 types of protocol. What is that? Pickle dot highest underscore protocol and pickle dot default protocol. So these 2 protocols can be used, means serialize and deserialize, pickling and unpickling, that is called. So this protocol can be used for a pickle. So next is a pickle dot load. This is a dump, and this is for pickle load your function. Function is used to retrieve pickle data. Whatever you have assigned with the dump function can be retrieved with the load function. So load data, the steps are quite simple. What you have to do? You have to use pickle dot load. Simple. Here pickle dot dump, and here you have to use, after this creating this, and this you have to load into your file. So pickle dot load can be used, this function, to do that, to load your object. And the primary arguments of pickle load function is a file object that you get by opening, which is a file name. Just I have written a binary underscore file, so that is file object. And opening the file, read binary RB mode. RB mode means read and binary mode. So here is a program. I'll run also this program. So in this program we open, see here, first output underscore file equal open D, from D drive. A is a file name, bin is a binary file. You can write DAT or BIN. BIN for binary mode, or also you can write DAT. Don't confuse, you are writing somewhere you have seen the bin and some you have seen the DAT. Both are similar. You can write a binary, bin for binary, or DAT for binary also. RB means writing or binary mode. So here file in a binary mode using specialization To create and store a value for different data object in a int string dictionary. All these I'm showing, sharing a practical also here. See here, just what you have to do, import pickle. What is import? It is already, this is a package which is already in a Python library. Just you need to import in your file. So here, output underscore file. What is output underscore file? This is a object name. You can write a f. I have already previous practical I have shown here f. This is a output underscore file. This object name. This is called object. And this is file which is a opening a.bin. This D drive we can, you can change the drive where your folder complete path you can give here. So this is a path where my file is a stored in a D drive a.bin. A is a file name, bin is a binary file, comma RB means writing binary mode. It is a write with the binary mode. Here I have written a school number. School number is a variable which is assigning the, I have written here school number as a 5555. I have written here. Now my string, this is a variable. Any variable ABC XYZ you can use here. My string I have written, this is a variable name which is a holding school name. This double quotation I am writing with the school name. Now another my list. This is a my list. I have written, this is also variable equal. This just like a list. In first string, I have written a welcome, separated with the comma, you all, separating with the comma in computer class. This is, it is a list value. It is combination of list or dictionary. Remember it. So this is a list. My list, I have written a welcome you all in a Python class. And next, my dicts. This is a dictionary name I have created. So you have to remember it. List always enclose in a square bracket, and dictionary always enclose in a curly brackets. So beginning with the curly brackets, this is a name, key. This is called key. This is a value, and job is a key. This is a value. Anything you can write. I have written a name with the ABC, job with the XYZ. So this key and value you can assign here. Now I am using a pickle. Pickle.dump. What is the use of? This is a object initialize. This initializing a object with the dump and means serializing with the dump function. Dump, here I am using what? School number. School number, comma, output file. What is output file? Whatever I am opening, that is a output file will be assigned. This will be assigned to this file. This file where I am assigning the object file name A. So now next, pickle.dump, again whole string I am assigning with the output file which I have created here. And next, this my list. My list, it is a list. I am also assigning with the output file. And next line, my dictionary. Dictionary, my whatever name I am writing here, that is also assigning the output file. Now what I'll do, this file output underscore file I am closing here. This file I am closing. This is for write in a binary mode with the pickle function. Now what I have to do, read binary mode. I am opening with that pickle with the read mode. So now here input file, I have given the name as a input underscore file. This is the object name. equal open. I am opening a same file I am opening here, and mode will be here. I have written a WB means write mode with the binary. Here I am writing read with the binary. If you are making a text file, just you have to remove a B from here. This will be a text file. So here now school underscore number, this value will be assigned to load a, see here it is a dump. Now I am using load because I have to read it. For reading you need to use load function. For assigning to the hard disk you need to write a dump, remember it. So whenever I want to read it, I need to write here load input file, where I have to load in a this file, input file, which I am creating here. And now next, my string, same string I am loading here, pickle dot load, same file, string with the same file. And now my list, this is also I am loading in the input file, my list equal pickle dot load input file. So this line also load it. And now this line dictionary I have to load here. Now my dix equal pickle dot load input file. This also loaded in a input file. Now these all loading step is over. Now what I have to do? I have to print it. With the print statement, you have to write a text, what message you want to display here. With the double quotation, you can write here school number equal this percentage symbol with also S, and this will display with the school underscore number. This will display here. Now I have to write a string. This name, this text I have to display. Now this will be displayed with the similar variable. So I am using similar variable string. Now I am using a list, my list with the text. And now I am using the dictionary. Dictionary will be print here. Now, so see previous file, it is a close here. And now which is the input file I have open here, this should be closed. So I am running this. Yeah, you can view here. This is a school number and this is a both mode. So you can display in your screen, interactive mode itself. So here school number will be displayed, and this is a my string which I have holded this school name, and in a list I have holded a this value, welcome you all in a computer class. Now my dictionary, it is a dictionary name ABC XYZ. So you can also change number of your admission number, name, class. You can write a program as it is. You can store in a data file. So binary file also can be pickled with the import pickle. You can write any name here, any import pickle. This is a import is a keyword, pickle is a module. You can also give the aliases name over here. See here I have written here binary mode. This is a my list. Anything you can write here. And dictionary you can include normal text also include. You can include a list. You can include a dictionary here. And pickle dump means you are assigning a object whatever you are creating here, and whenever you want to display in a read mode, you need to load function can be used. So also you can insert, append, record in a binary file with the pickle module. See here roll number is a variable normal. This is a normal program. And input, what is in here? It is a type casting typecast means whatever you will get from here, and uh, so here roll number, roll number is a normal variable, equal is a assignment operator, int means this is a typecasting input, enter roll number. This will get value from you for roll number, and name equal input, name you have to get, and marks you have to get here. And after this you have to create a dictionary. See here, creating the dictionary rec. What is rec? This is a variable as a dictionary, equal is a assignment operator. Here roll number is a key, roll number, this is a value which I am getting from here, and name as a key, name which I am getting from here, it will assign to dictionary, and marks I am getting from here, marks I'll get here. Now this whatever I am getting, I have to write in a file, in a append mode with the binary file. So see here, f is a object, just like I have written a previous in a file input, file out, anything you can write. F equal open, I am opening this in a D drive. This file name is a student.dat, means it is a binary file, student is a file name. A B means append with the binary mode. It is a appending whatever previous data, that will be append with the binary mode. Now pickle.dump means whatever I am creating, this will be dump. The function forces to assign the value to the hard disk. And here rec comma f. What is rec? Which is a dictionary. Comma f means which is a file name assigning to dump this object. Now you can close whatever you have opened with the file. This file will be closed. So in a dictionary with the pickle module, you can use in a binary file, with the text file also, both can be used. And you can use a insert, you can insert a record, you can append a record, you can read a record, you can write a records in a binary mode with the pickle module. So this is for reading mode, whatever previous I have done. So this is a in reading mode, read record from a binary file. Previous file can be read. How to write, how to read? F. F is a file name, object name equal open. From D drive I am opening this file, and RB means reading mode with the binary. So here I am writing while. What is while? This is a loop iteration. While true means if this is file is contained over there, this means it is a true. Try. So try and catch I am using here. What is try and catch? Within a block of try or catch, you can execute the program, and if there is any error, error message will be displayed. See here try block. Inside a try block I am using a rec. What is rec here? In the previous slide I have used rec as a dictionary name, equal pickle.load. Now previous I have assigned it the dump. Now I am loading it. What I am loading? From this file I am loading here. With this dictionary I am loading here, and print roll number. It will print a roll number. From where? Rec. Rec is a dictionary name. Roll number will be print. Now print name. From where? Rec. Rec is a dictionary name, and name I am printing here. Again marks from dictionary, and marks will be print. Now this will be in the next line, except if it is not another than this, will be error will be displayed. Break, then f dot close. Whatever f you are using, that must be closed. Also, you can search a record with the binary mode, with the pickle module. See here, f equal open this file, previous whatever I have created. Now I am opening with the binary read and binary mode. Here, see here, flag is not a keyword, anything, just variable you can use, equal false. You have assigned the boolean value here false. Flag means it is a variable, equal false I have already assigned as a false. So here r equal, what is r here? R is a variable, equal is a assignment operator, int, which is a typecasting, enter a roll number to be searched. You will input a roll number, which roll number to be searched. Now I am using while loop, while true, this if this condition is correct, whatever you are inputting a roll number here, that must be true, then it will go into a block. And try and catch also I am using try module. And rec, what is rec? This is a dictionary name, equal pickle dot load. From this dictionary, by using pickle module, I am loading that value from here. And if rec roll number equal r, what do you mean by this? Rec roll number means from that dictionary which is assigned the roll number as a key, equal r, which I am getting here, which I am searching, both are equal, means whatever I am getting here and this roll number from this dictionary are similar. So this will be printed, print roll number will be printed, print name will be printed, and marks will be printed. If it is true and flag equal true, see here, then here it is false, here it is true. Except error, otherwise it is not, error message will be automatically comes. And break, if flag equal false, means if flag makes a false, means that doesn't match with the value, print no record found. If you are whatever you are searching that doesn't match with the value, so it will display no record found and file should be closed. So here the value of r to be searched, what I am searching, this value to be searched here, and compare with the roll number, it will compare with this roll number which I am assigning in the dictionary. So and whatever it is matching with the value, these all record will be displayed. Otherwise if it is false, what happens, this message will be displayed no record found. So I hope you will understand these all topics.